Begin by flipping one of the sections to have its right side out, then lay one inside the other with the right sides together. You will then match and pin at the dart seams to start, matching the raw edges and the seam of the dart. Next, you will match and pin each corner with one pin on either side of the corner point. Stitch the sides together, beginning just below the dart seam on one side of the bowl cozy. Backstitch and sew with a 3/8 inch seam allowance, pivoting at each corner. Once you reach your starting side, sew to just above the dart seam and backstitch to secure. Make sure you leave an opening large enough to turn the cozy inside out. Clip threads and then trim the corner to approximately 1/8 of an inch. To remove additional bulk, you can also cut diagonally along the seam allowances near the corner.